Marlo Gallanelo, and the band advisor, Miss Joy Unganoy. Together with the Balaos Marching Band, are St. Augustine Humanities headed by the school principal, Sister Moria Jean Partosa, AR. Approaching are our friends from the PNP, BFP. Hey, kawai mga sir and ma'am! Alright, that's the energy. Our friends coming from PNP, the Bureau Fire. Our DGFP friends.
Simbolo ka sa kagugi.
Of course, our friends coming from the NBI, or the National Bureau of Investigation.
Bayan sa bayawan.
Approaching is the school band of Holy Family Elementary School, headed by the school principal, Sir Ray Torimoro. Good morning, Sir Ray. Of course, together with Sir Ray Torimoro is his faculty and staff of Holy Family. And of course, kasunod ang mga kusgan ng mga ginikanan sa atong mga kabatangunan ikan sa Holy Family. Dagang salamat kaninyo and best of luck later for the marching band competition. Approaching are our friends coming from Cluster 1, the HRFDO, the CBO, the city admin, the BAC, the LCR, and the CPSO. Good morning! Our friends from the HR isang wave naman dyan. Good morning, good morning! Energy, energy! Wave your hands! Our admin office, good morning! Headed by our city admin, Madam Coral Razan. Good morning, ma'am. Wave naman dyan, mga taga-city admin! Happy Fiesta! Approaching are our friends from the City Civil Registry Office. Next are our friends coming from the City Public Safety Office. Good morning, friends from the City Public Office, Safety Office. Wave your hands. Approaching is our school band. Concepcion Fortaleza Memorial Elementary School, headed by the school principal or the school head, Sergio Eric Hauchay. Good morning, Sergio. Together with the ever-supportive faculty and staff of CCFMES. Approaching is the float coming from Barangay Tapuan. Good morning, School Head of Yomenes, Sergio Eric. Again, this is the float of Barangay Tapuan. We also have our friends coming from the city social welfare and development, of Bayuan City. Good morning. So that was the float of Barangay Tapuan. One Tapuan. Friends coming from our CSWD. Good morning, Tetsuchi. Approaching are our friends from the City Bank. The City Veterinarian Office. Wave your hands, friends coming from the City Veterinarian Office. Wave your hands. Energy check. Kaya pa ba? Of course.
Sa among dakbayan sa bayawan.
Approaching are our friends coming from CPBO.
Laban katuigan, ikaw ka lang daw sa among umahan. Panginabuhi ikaw ang
Friends from CPBO, our representative for headdress check, this is Atong George. Correct, one representative, headdress check.
sa among kaumahan. Higala sa mag-uuma sa bayawan. Daw sa among kaumahan. Kauban ka sa kauswagan. Ang mahulokon mong dagway.
Approaching are our friends coming from the City Engineering Office. Friends from the City Engineering Office, one representative for the headdress check. And everyone is wearing their headdress and they look so festive wearing it. Again, this is the Tao Tao Festival 2026 Civic Parade. Energy friends coming from the City Engineering Office. Dance, dance, dance. Nakikiyahan natin kinakaw-haw. Energy sa energy.
Simbolo ka sa kakugi. Sa mga mag-uumatingi.
Approaching is the school band of Bayuan City Inclusive Elementary School. Headed by the school principal, Madam Bissel Galicia. And of course, supported by the faculty and staff of Bayuan City Inclusive Education. Good morning! Good morning, good morning! Wave your hands!
Higala sa mag-uuma sa bayawan. Daw sa among
Friend,
kaumahan.
ano ka kanila, friend?
Uswagan.
Iniwan mo na kami.
Dagway, ginawa sa kahoy buhay. Sa hangin ka, kapay-kapay. Kabugaw sa mga mayang agasalan sa kalipan.
Let's welcome our friends from the City Accounting Office. Alright, let's check, let's check. Next is our friends coming from the Centro. Wave your hands. Right. Identify their important cancer. Address check. Of course, arriving is our friends from Kaagri, or the City Agriculture Office, headed by, grabe kayo, labi kayo mo sayo si Sir Ernie. Ikiay pa, friend! Ikiay pa, ganda energy! Alright! Address check! Approaching are our friends coming from CMO.
Sa kahitasan kami mapasalamatan.
There you have it, our Kaagri. Wave your hands, friends from Kaagri. This is the 2026 Tahu-Tahu Festival Civic Parade. Approaching are our friends coming from the CMO. And let's check one representative, please. The city mayor's office and morning. Wave your hands. Special shout out to Jessica. Approaching is the float coming from our float coming from Barangay Kalumbuyan. Sige, float check sa ta, float check. Stop sa ta, sir. Approaching is our friends coming from the Sangguniang Panglungsod Office. Alright, thank you so much. Again, that's the float coming from Barangay Kalumbuyan. Address check, friends from the Sangguniang Festival Team. Smile, everyone! Again, this is the 2026 Tahu-Tahu Festival Civic Parade. Approaching is our friends from the City Legal Treasurer's Office. Address check sa ta, one rep. Address check. Thank you so much.
Sa bisang rusang panahon, tigulang tinginit ikaw nagmalikon. Ang imong pagbantay, gipadayon, kaumahan sa bayawan, kanunay mabungahon.
Approaching are our friends coming from the supply section.
Taw-taw sa among kaumahan, higala sa mag-uumasa.
The General Service Office, GSO. Wave your hands. Mula kikapoy na ta, wave your hands. One rep for address checks at least. One representative for address check.
Kabugaw sa mga mayang nagasayaw sa kalipay.
Again, one representative for address headed by the ever supportive and active school principal of Taoist Elementary School, Sir Jeffrey Tito. Good morning. Together with the faculty and staff and the supportive parents. And of course, Fred, good morning, Fred. Tingnan ang kay Fred. Again, this is the Tao Tao Festival 2026 Civic Parade. Let's acknowledge our friends coming from the City College. Let's check friend. And representative please for let's check. Alright. Wait naman dyan mga friends from the City College. Alright. Let's acknowledge from our friends from the CCFEO. And let's check please one representative. Wave your hands! Correct, grabe ko sa energy. Approaching is the float coming from Barangay San Jose. Again, this is the float of Barangay San Jose.
Sa kakugi, sa mga mag-uumatinghi,
Approaching are our scholars for the Bayawan City LGU City of Bayawan Scholars Organization. These are our students studying from the Norso at Bayawan City College. Thank you so much. Again, that is the float of Barangay San Jose. Kapag-apag ka na. Approaching are our friends from the City Health Office. Dear scholars, wave your hands. Energy check. Ikaw po'y natagtinoon si Angel Santa. Good morning, friends from the City Health Office. One rep for the headdress check. Sige, stop sa takay para makadance good. Of course, makapaanway ka nga dinidagong sige itong ginagunitan, no? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go, City Health Office! Yeah, sige, forward na. Thank you so much, friends from the City Health Office. Approaching is the school bus of Villarreal Elementary School. Villarreal Elementary School is headed by the school head, Ma'am Ruby Iparosa, together with the faculty and staff and parents of Villarreal Elementary School.
Kahit saan kami mapasalamatan sa paghatag kanino ka na.
Ito to baby, friend, okay pa na? Okay pa ka baby? Okay pa.
Kabus man, walay laing pangigala sa
representative, please, for headdress check. Friends from the city, RRMO, wave your hands. Approaching is our friends from the Bayawan City Economic Enterprise Office. One representative, please, for headdress check. Fitness group. Fitness for everyone. Lami kay guwapa kay tanawin kay colorful kaaya to mga Zumba mommies oy. One headdress representative, please, for headdress check. Wave your hands, Zumba mommies, energy. Correct. Lami kay colorful kaayo. Approaching is the school band. Of Telesforo Gargantial Memorial Elementary School. Telesforo Gargantial Memorial Elementary School is headed by the school head, Ma'am Rosalina Nebrilla. There you have it, our school band coming from Telesforo Memorial High School. Approaching is the float coming from Barangay Villarreal. Let us also acknowledge our friends from the NCIP North Pole. Wave your hands, please. Of course, following by our friends from the NCIP or North Pole is our friends from the Bayawan City District Office of LTO. Next is the Parole and Probation Administration of under the ba to sa Region 7 or NIR na? NIR. Next is our friends coming from the Office of the Prosecution Office. Our friends from the Prosecution Office. One rep please for the headdress. One representative for the headdress please. One representative for the headdress check. Next is our school band coming from Bayawan City East Central School. Bayawan City East Central School is headed by the school head, Sir Jonaire Empanado. Of course, together with the faculty and staff and the supportive parents of Bayawan City East Central School Band. Daghang salamat to our dear parents no, for an extending an extra while of making this year's civic parade extra special. Again, this is the Tao Tao Festival Civic Parade 2026. Wave your hands!
Sa mga nalabang katuigan, ikaw ka lang daw sa among umahan. Pag nabuhi, ikaw ang
Our
kauban.
friends from, that was our friends from the RTC, DILG, Liga, Comelec, Post Office, the PGFP, and the PAW headrest check. One rep for headrest check. One representative please for headrest check. For judging purposes.
Sa bisang unsang panahon, di ulam, di init, ikaw nagmaligpon. Ang imong pagbantay, gipadayon, kaumahan sa bayawan, kanunay mabungahon.
Our friends from the Iowa City Post Office. Wave your hands, please. Good morning. Next is the float coming from Barangay San Roque.
Ang mahulugon mong dagway, tinamak sa kahoy buhay. Sa hangin gakapay-kapay, kapugaw sa mga mayang nagasayaw sa kalipay. Katuhan sa ulang, walong lugar sa
Approaching is the school band of Pasay National High School.
Sa paghatag di mo anang karon.
The school band at Pasay National High School is headed by the school principal, Madam Rila Ganon.
Wanalain pamigala sa tanan.
Special shout out to ka Sir Aubrey. Good morning, Sir Aubrey. Again, this is the school marching band of Pasay National High School. Best of luck later for the marching band competition. Approaching are our friends coming from the Bayawan City Water District, or Bawan. Of course, together with our school band of Pasay National High School, are the supportive faculty and staff of Pasay National High School. One representative, please, for headrest check. Approaching are our friends coming from the Southern Tech College. Energy, wave your hands. Approaching are our friends coming from Negros Oriental State University, Bayawan Santa Catalina Campus. Good morning, Norsu BSC.
Simula sa kakugi, sa mga mag-uumatinghi, hinatag ka sa kahitasan.
One representative, please, Norsu Bayawan for headrest check. Good morning, friendly.
Sa malan ng labay katuigan, ikaw galantaw sa among umahan. Pag nabuhi, ikaw ang kauban, kuyog ka sa kalambuang
Wave your hands, teachers and faculty of Bayawan and Negros Oriental State University, Bayawan Santa Catalina Campus. Good morning, kaninyong tanan, and happy fiesta. Approaching are our friends from St. Augustine Academy Incorporated.
sa kahoy buhay, sa hangin gakapay-kapay, kapugaw sa mga mayang nagasayaw sa kalipay. Katuhak sa bulang,
Wave your hands, SPA friends. Good morning. together with Sir Juanillo, Dr. Berga, the rest of the PSPS and the supervisors. So again, this is the float of Barangay Nangka.
Sa kahitasan kami mapasalamato.
Ang kasakay sa ilang floto ay ay Mamuma or the unsung heroes. One rep please for headrest check. Wave your hands! Good morning, friends! Murag naluya na pa mga pita later. Kana energy, energy! Our friends from Iowa National High School, good morning! Hi, friend! Good morning! Mang Amoy, energy sa energy sayaw sa correct! Approaching is our SAA marching band. St. Augustine Academy is headed by the school principal, Sister Moria Jean Partosa, AR. Again, this is the St. Augustine Marching Band, school marching band. Following the SAA band are our friends coming from DepEd Bio 1. Our fellow teachers, good morning. Wave your hands, teachers. Correct, may mga energy pa. Again, that was the St. Augustine School Marching Band, headed by the school principal, Sister Moria Jean Partosa. Again, these are our friends coming from DepEd Bio 1. Good morning! So, ang kapanguna nito ang Bio 1 National High School, faculty and staff, wearing their beautiful headdress. Wave your hands, DepEd Bio 1. Friend Michelle, mapakaay mo, friend. Wave your hands. Of course, shout out to Bio 1 City, Manila City Science and Technology Education Central High School. Isa sa pinakadaghan ng delegation yun, no? DepEd Bio 1. Mga 7 kilometers pa ni Sir Carlo sa Mahuman. DepEd friends, wave your hands! Correct. Ayaw paluya-luya. Ang paluya-luya kay baklasihon daw. So, dili magpaluya-luya.
Simbolo ka sa kakugi, sa mga mag-uumat.
Again, this is our friends coming from DepEd Bio 1. Good morning, everyone. Approaching is the school band
Sa bayawan,
of Acting National High School.
sa mga nalapeng katuigan, ikaw galantaw sa among umahan. Panginabuhi, ikaw ang kauban, kuyog ka sa kalambuan na tagang taman. Taw-taw sa bayawan, taw-taw sa among kaumahan.
Again, approaching is the school marching band of Andres Portogalesa National High School of Barangay Acting. Together, we're headed by the school principal,
isang
Again,
panahon.
the school head of Andres P. Portugalesa is Madam Melanie Terrell. Good morning, ma'am. Again, this is the school marching band of Andres P. Portugalesa National High School, headed by the school principal or the school head, Ma'am Firin. Following are again our friends coming from DepEd Bayaway. Correct. Magpasingot sa. Magpasingot. Approaching is Susan of Kalumpuyan. Ang Naray National High School. Friend buddy, sorry ka. Ay, wala ko kailan yung bugwa pa kay shades. Feeling na ko epekto na sa buto-buto. Good morning, Ma'am Susay. Again, this is the school marching band of Naray National High School, headed by the band advisor, Ma'am Manilin Tantay, and the school principal, Madam Marley Arrogante. this is the school marching band of Dawis National. Again, this is the school marching band of Dawis National High School, headed by the school principal, Dr. Giselle Papura.